matandang welterweight na naging kampiyon sa kasaysayan. Nagretiro 4 na taon na nakakaraan. Ngayon hindi pa tapos at muling babalik para ilayo pa ang sariling record na mahirap na nga mabura at susubukin kunin ang titulo sa bagong sikat na at isa na namang prime na kampiyon pa. Abat alam naman natin mula noon pa ilang ulit niya na binura lahat ng duda, lalo't panahon at edad di na nakapanig sa kanya. Di maya alis karamihan may halong kaba at bata't malaki pa ang hinamon niya. Ating balikan at alalahanin na talaga naman si Pacman. Ibang klase talaga. Pero bago yan, i-like mo muna at pindutin ang subscribe button at notification bell para sa mga astig at to the next level na sports news. Isa na marahil si Manny Pacquiao sa pinaka-undersized na boksingero sa welterweight division, kaya naman nung panahong pinagharian niya na ang flyweight to lightweight ay di mayaalis na ang mga tigasin sa higher weight division ay tingin oy isa lang siyang maliit na kampyon na nahibang at nangahaspang sumubok sa kanilang mas mabigat na dibisyon. Isa na dyan ang The Golden Boy, Oscar De La Hoya, ang pinakamalaking atraksyon sa super welterweight ng boxing nung panahong yon, na tinanggap ang hamon ng noong current pound-for-pound champion na si Pacquiao na talaga namang kumiliti sa atensyon ng lahat sa mundo ng boxing. Bababa ng kaunti para sa 147 pounds ang tinaguriang Golden Boy, habang aakyat naman ang mas malaki mula 135 pounds ang tinaguriang Pacman. Bagamat magsasalubong pareha sa welterweight, si Oscar ay tiwalang hamak subok na ang lakas niya sa paglalaban ng timbang. Kumpiyansa pa nga nito sinabi na ang napaka-agresibong si Pacquiao ay swak na swak daw sa kanyang estilo at asahan na daw ang tiyak na knockout sa gabing iyon.
There will be a knockout.
Today, they do look 4 inches apart in height.
You can see the height. He's fighting a very intelligent fight.
He takes a straight left hand and a right hook from Pacquiao.
This has the makings of being a very interesting fight, and I think as it goes on, sooner or later you're going to get some very good exchanges. Manny is fighting a very, very smart fight.
Almost no height difference between them. Pacquiao lands a brilliant uppercut. De La Hoya has not been able to solve Pacquiao's speed, movement, the southpaw style.
I think Jim summed it up. There's too much of everything. He just cannot figure out how to get into the fight out there.
Maybe trying to lay a trap, but Manny is too smart and too fast for him.
Pacquiao is making De La Hoya look old, slow, ineffectual. And Oscar is barely throwing back. You wonder if Tony Weeks is thinking of stopping the fight. Hard shots. De La Hoya hasn't been down, but that may be the only thing that's keeping Weeks from stopping it. Pacquiao is closing in on landing 50 power shots in the round. The most power punches ever landed on De La Hoya in a single round of his career. Tony Weeks has a tough decision. There's a lot of glory and a lot of money in Oscar De La Hoya's past, but he's getting beaten up here. It's over. It's done. Manny Pacquiao has beaten Oscar De La Hoya.
Buti na lang pagkatapos ng 8th round, umayaw na siya. At kundi pa'y muntika na nga matupad ang prediksyong knockout niya. Tuluyan na nga siyang nagretiro matapos ang gulping inabot dito, habang naging mitsa naman to ng mas malaki pang pananalasa ng ating pambato. Isa pa ang British superstar na si Ricky the Hitman Hatton, na nooy nananatiling kampyon at undefeated pa sa 140-pound division, at sinabing hindi daw sapat si Pacquiao para talunin siya sa matagal ng pinagariang dibisyon. Impresibo man daw ang nakaraang panalo niya kay De La Hoya, pero asahang magiging mas malakit malakas siya sa gabing magkatapat sila. Dagdag nito'y nakita niya na daw si Pacquiao masaktan sa mas mababang timbang, kaya't asahan magugulat daw siya sa mas mabigat na parusang ibibigay niya.
Same move every time. Roll under. Right hook, roll under. Just give him something to spin off onto.
Question 1, is round 1 a boxing match, or does Hatton want to fight right away? So Hatton wants to apply pressure, but with care, against Pacquiao's faster hands. Hard right hand by Pacquiao, trying to hit Hatton as he comes in. Follows the jab with a hook, comes back with another jab. There's the straight left hand, and he landed it right on Hatton's chin. And down goes Hatton after he swings and misses with a left hook. And that's a knockdown for Manny Pacquiao. Pacquiao's hands are blindingly fast.
His hands are so fast that no opponent sees the punches coming.
Straight left hand. Pacquiao's landing at will. Hard left hand. Hatton has to hold on. This is the brilliance left hand by Pacquiao. Stunned Hatton and knocked it back. Look at the brilliant accuracy, landing with both right and left hands. Oh my gosh, what a straight left hand. What an amazing knockout shot. That is the most spectacular one-punch shot of Manny Pacquiao's incredible career.
Any fighter.
Abay, nakakagulat nga talaga. At ang hamak na malakas na Britong kampiyon, second round lang, walang malay na. Isa pa at pinakamalaki sa lahat ay ang kontrobersyal na junior middleweight champion na si Antonio Margarito, ang 5'11" Mexican slugger na walang tigil sa pangungutya kay Pacquiao at Roach nung build-up sa laban nila. Sinabi nga nito na asahan na daw ang malaking panalo ng Tijuana Tornado sa dahilang hindi daw niya nakikitang kaya siya dominahin ng maliit na mamang si Pacquiao. Dagdag nito ay nagkamali nga daw sila ni Roach ng pinili sa paghamon pa sa sinlaki niya at ngayon garantisado daw na knockout na ang aabutin niya.
To me, I think he's scared and Freddie Roach is scared. I wouldn't be surprised if he tried to cancel the fight saying that I hurt my hand or something just because he's scared.
Es puto Pacquiao.
Así es.
Already it has been a tumultuous evening in Cowboy Stadium.
The size has been a big factor in this fight, as I see right here.
But speed belongs to Pacquiao. Good left hook inside by left cross inside by Pacquiao. He lands the right hook too as Margarito steps in. Margarito tries to press the action. Pacquiao hits him flush with a big left hand and then flurries and backs Margarito off again. Now the marks begin to show on Margarito's face as he has a big red welt, so Pacquiao could do that.
Yeah, Margarito's saying that Pacquiao's not hurting him, but his face is telling a different story.
Pacquiao's beginning to land with almost every punch. Pacquiao fighting back with his back on the ropes.
And here comes
And he
Manny.
turns it around and bangs Margarito viciously. Left cross straight on the bad eye. And another one. Right on that badly bruised right eye of Margarito. That's a fighter.
Unbelievable machine.
Greatest offensive fighter of the era.
And this was
What a
right
shot.
up.
What a
He's
jab.
ready to go.
That's one of the biggest jabs I've ever seen.
That was a right hook from Pacquiao.
Yeah, Pacquiao
Stop Margarito in his tracks.
He's letting Margarito finish. And we're done.
Saksamaang palad na kasama pa yata ang pag-aangas nila at buong 12 rounds siyang kinulatan ng mas maliit na mama at umuwi pang nagmistulang ginulpi ng masa. Isa pang malaking pangalan at future Hall of Famer na rin ay ang 3-division world champion na si Sugar Shane Mosley. Ang nagsabi noong hindi daw maaari at posibleng kaya siyang talunin ng boksingerong hanggang baba lang niya.
Chin almost maybe a little bit taller than my chin. I'm like, there's no way this guy can beat me. No way.
Kumpiyansa nga siya na iba ang kanyang lakas sa level na to sa dahilang pareho nga nila tinalo ang malaking mamang si Margarito at mas devastating nga daw ang kanyang panalo at na-knockout niya pa to. Patunay daw na siyang pinakadelikadong makakalaban ni Pacquiao sa karera nito at sa isa niyang panayam patutumbahin nga daw nila kahit kabayo sa timbang na to.
Anything that Shane Mosley hits at 147 pounds, he's gonna hurt it. Like I said, you put a Shetland pony on the scale, and it weighed 147. When Shane hit it on the chin, his knee's gonna buckle.
And here we go. Straight left hand getting through for Pacquiao. Beautiful three-punch combination now by Pacquiao.
And that got Shane Mosley's attention.
Pacquiao continuing to go downstairs. There's the left hand, and it drops Mosley. Just like that, Sugar Shane is hurt. Pacquiao stalking. Now Mosley will hold on. Left hand by Pacquiao. Steps over. Can Mosley get out of the round? It's Pacquiao trying to close the show strongly in this round. Shane Mosley takes a straight left hand by Pacquiao. Pacquiao frustrated, wants to fight. Mosley trying to find a place to fight.
Nakasurvive man ng 12 rounds si Mosley sa labang ito ay isa pa ring dominanteng panalo para sa ating pambato. Di nga umobra kay Pacquiao ang sinabing napakalakas daw niyang kamao at siya ang nagmistulang kabayo kakatakbo. Nitong huli naman ay isang prime at undefeated welterweight champion na si one-time Kid Thurman, ang isa sa pinaka-confident at proud na Amerikanong kampiyon na nakuha pang paulit-ulit asarin si Pacquiao na pinakamaliit sa kanilang dibisyon.
It's like this big, you know?
He's this big. My punch is this big. Manny Pacquiao, T-Rex arms. Pop, pop, pop. And they're like, woo! Pacquiao's ready. Pacquiao's gonna knock out Thurman.
Bagamat marami na daw napatunayan si Pacman sa larangang ito, ay sigurado siyang wala pa daw ito nakatapat na undefeated na singlakas nito. Ubus na nga daw ang oras ni Pacquiao sa larong to at dumating na ang panahon para siya na ang magparetiro dito.
He ain't gonna do nothing. With them little T-Rex arms, he's about to get, beat up. I get to punch a senator in the face.
We are underway. Ooh. There's a nice right hand, but Pacquiao comes right back. Most of the trash talk came from Keith Thurman in the weeks leading up to this bout. Bit of a smile from Manny Pacquiao. Oh, down goes Thurman!
And let me tell you, that was just a quick punch. Thurman thought he could back up quick enough, but he wasn't quick enough to get it out of the reach of that punch.
Thurman knocked down late in round one. That's it like that, right there. That's where he does it best. He catches you off guard with his quick feet.
Pacquiao looks very quick right now.
Pacquiao's moving around like a 22-year-old, Lennox.
Oh yeah, and he's saying, I feel good.
Can you imagine at 40 years old still bringing this type of game to a young, strong champion that's never been beaten? Thurman just reacted very badly to that last series of punches.
Ginulat na naman ni Pacquiao ang mundo ng boxing nang talunin ng isang malakas at batang kampyon sa edad niyang to at ang nooy maangas sa tambog na boksingero. Ngayon lubos ang respeto.
Manny Pacquiao is a truly great, legendary champion. Oh, Senator, great as ye, oh, Senator. I promise I'd say that if he won tonight. And he did, he got the victory over me.
Kayo, ano sa palagay nyo? May iilan na rin namang sumubok at nagwagi makuha ang kampyonato sa late ng edad. Kaya sapat lang na kung meron pa mang may karapatan muli ay sasayaw, ay itong isang Pinoy Hall of Famer na si Pacquiao. Sa mundo ng boxing, walang dudang bentahe ang pisikal na anyo, laki at pagiging bata. Pero tanda ang katangi-tangi ang pangalang Manny Pacquiao na kahit sa sukat di lumalamang mula noon hanggang ngayon. Salamin ng lakas at tibay na kahit maliit may kaya magtagumpay.